So I thought it was about time that Kiki got a little bike, because you outgrew your trike now, haven't you?
Yeah.
And I found a really cute bike in a charity shop for £10. But what's the problem with it, Kiki?
It's green with dinosaurs.
Yeah, you don't like green, do you? You
No,
do like dinosaurs.
I like minty green, but not that
Not this
kind
color
of
green.
green.
So we're gonna give the bike a little makeover. We're gonna paint it pink. We're gonna add a basket. Might change the little saddle and add some fun accessories. And let's give this bike a fun makeover. What paints did we find in the shed, Kiki?
Spray paint and normal paint.
Which one do you think we should use?
The paint normal.
Which one is that?
This one.
That's an all-service paint.
And
of
it's
Rust-Oleum.
also heavy.
Is it heavy? You think you can lift that?
No.
Oh, very strong. Shall we give it a try? So I'm going to start by taking all these stickers off. Over there and over there. And then we need to give it a good clean.
Dinosaur.
Bye bye dinosaur. What do we do now? We clean the bike.
Clean our bike. We're going to clean our bike to use.
So the bike is clean, stickers are gone, we taped it off. So now what's time for, Kiki?
Paint!
Yay! Are you gonna paint the little stabilizers for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey Keeks, do you think you're done with your first coat?
Yeah.
I think so, right? Should we let that dry and then you can do the second coat tomorrow? So that's the first coat done. You can see behind me. It's nice and pink now. Needs a second coat though, so I'm going to leave it overnight and paint it again tomorrow. Before you leave a comment, I could have taken the bike apart because it's way easier to paint, but I'm not a bike mechanic. I probably don't know how to put it back together, so it's safe for her to cycle on, so I'm just doing it like this. I taped it off and very precisely painted the frame. So yeah, I think it looks cute. Let's paint more tomorrow. So it's day 2 and the bike has dried overnight. It's just over there. What's wrong, Keeks? Is that a bumblebee? There's a bumblebee in the garden.
Yesterday we painted lots of it, and now we're going to paint it and a coat. And maybe we'll add some glitters as well.
Kiki wants to add glitter. I'm not quite sure about that, but we'll see. So let's get painting. Come. Crafting with a toddler reality. So the painting's quite precise on the bike, so she can only do the little stabilizers. So Kiki got bored quite quickly. What are you doing, Keeks? What are you doing? Are you on your iPad? Hey, at least she helped a little. That's the second coat done too. So now let's wait till tomorrow. See how it dries. Wow, look at all the beautiful sunshine. The paint's dry now. We can put the little wheels back on, the stabilizer wheels, and see if we need to do any more touch up on the paint. No little assistant today, she's a nursery, but I got a furry assistant here to help me. What do you think, Hermit? You gonna help? Wow, that tape was so tricky to remove. But yeah, it's done there. And I think there's a few little bits I need to paint again because the green is poking through, especially where I taped a little bit too much on the rim here. But let's talk about the saddle first, because initially I was thinking, oh, we're going to replace the saddle, the nice black one. But then I was thinking, if I want to buy a new one anyway, let's first try and see if I can paint it. Got some pink spray paint. Might not work, might look horrible, might not last, but then I can buy a new one then anyway. So let's first try and see if this works. You do several light coats so you don't get any drips, hopefully. Never painted a saddle before, so let's see. Before the comment section explodes, because you guys are having a go at me that I'm painting a black and green bike for a girl pink. I'm not into gender stereotypes whatsoever. I'm trying to raise Kiki as gender neutral as possible. And until she was sort of 3 and I had a say in what she was wearing and playing with, there was nothing pink in the house. But unfortunately I have a girl that's obsessed with anything pink and sparkly, and that's what she likes. That's completely fine by me. If she wants a pink bike, I am completely okay with that. But I still think I'm doing an okay job, because she's also really into excavators and bin lorries, so it's a good little balance there. But yeah, I'm not into gender stereotypes. I'm not trying to say a girl bike needs to be pink. It's just what she really likes. If she wants a black bike, fine with me too. If she wants a brown one, orange one, completely fine. She wants a pink bike. We are painting a cheap bike that I found in a charity shop, pink. Second coat went up brilliantly. Looks great. I think it's gonna last okay. I don't think it's gonna crack. So fingers crossed on that one. Just gonna let the paint dry, and now we just need to wait for Kiki's basket and accessories to arrive for her bike. That should be tomorrow. So I think tomorrow, fingers crossed, she can finally ride her bike. So what arrived in the mail yesterday, Keeks?
The accessories.
I want to show that to everybody. What accessories do we have?
Tassels, stickers,
Show it to everybody.
and a basket.
In the basket.
Where are the stickers?
In the basket. Can I get them out?
Are those the ones that I did want?
Yeah. So, should we accessorize your bike, Kiki?
Yeah!
Yeah, I will.
I put
Well done. Should you do the other one too? That looks so cool, Geeks! So the accessories I bought came with some stickers, and I think it would be rather cool if we put some stickers on here.
Go.
Kiki, goes in your basket.
Pinky.
They're in there. I think that's your bike done, isn't it? What should we do now?
Gonna ride a bike.
You're gonna ride a bike? Wow! If you enjoyed my bicycle makeover, please have a look at these other kids' crafts. And I hope to see you soon here on Handmade Home.